you, Sunit. Honorable Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Anil Rajavardhan Singh Rathore ji, Shri Rajesh Bedi ji, Shri Santosh Sivan ji, Sunit Tandon, my colleagues from the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, all our respected media heads, dear participants, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a matter of great pride and privilege for Ministry of INB to be organizing a workshop of this kind. This is the first time that we are organizing this workshop. You are aware of the fact that Honorable Prime Minister has been laying a lot of emphasis on skilling India. A new department of skill development has already been created, and we find that as far as the INB space is concerned, the media and entertainment sector provides tremendous opportunities for skilling the youth of this country. Digital photography is spawning exciting times. The available tools are getting larger, easier to use, maybe more complex, but most importantly, it's a great fun. A number of organizations, ministries of the government have been invited to participate in this workshop. It is expected that over more than 100 officers would be taking part in the still photography segment, while about 50 to 60 officers would be participating in the videography workshop. The workshop is divided into 4 parts, namely art and visual appreciation, including history of photography, technical aspects of cameras and lenses, processes involved in picture capturing and processing of images, and editing and finished product highlighting editing tools and visual effects, including a session on digitization of archives. During the workshop, it is proposed to have a session by various manufacturers of the camera manufacturing companies who will exhibit the latest camera equipment, lenses during various sessions. In the workshop, the professional photographers and videographers from across the country, across media, who are gathered here to deliberate upon creating new space for themselves in the rarefied atmosphere of challenging assignments in a social media dominated environment embedded with newly emerging technologies on a day-to-day basis, along with competitive pulls and pressures. I am sure the best of digital and video skills and brains assembled in this workshop will pave the way for redefining photography and videography, keeping the interest of carrying the messages of government as an institution of socio-economic change at the topmost priority. It is heartening to have professional agencies specializing in digital technology, animation and graphics side by side with the most competent professionals from Photo Division and Doordarshan covering the field of still and videography. I extend my best wishes to all of you for this wonderful experience to rediscover new vistas in photography and videography, and in the process, rediscover your own creative skills. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the day and have a wonderful session. Thank you. Jai Hind.